Hello there, my name is Alex Woodall and I'm from W.R. Davies Toyota in Stafford. So today we're taking a look at the new Toyota AYGO. Here we have the X-Trend, which is taking replacement of the Toyota AYGO x-plore and also Express. It's got a great level of specification with some fantastic features. Let's take a look inside. Inside the new AYGO, we've got the centre console. Anything upwards from an x-plore model will have as standard a touchscreen interface. Situated below, we've got the air conditioning. On this particular model, the X-Trend, you've got the automatic climate control. On the steering wheel, we've got multifunction controls, which aid in less distractions on the road. This particular model, the X-Trend, has automatic lights and a reverse camera. Connecting my device via USB, I'm able to use Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which will allow me to stream my applications onto the touchscreen for simplicity and use. Also, we have voice command technology, which will aid in less distractions while driving on the road. So if we take a look at the rear of the vehicle, as we can see, we've got a very generous boot space for a small city car. Situated below, but just above the number plate, we've got the reversing camera, which is ideal for visibility and safety. If we take a look at the new Toyota signature lighting at the rear, the Toyota AYGO is available in a 3-door or a 5-door model. As you can see, it's got the two-tone contrast of colour, so you've got the white flash paint along with the red sills and mirrors. Just at the front here, we've got the front LED signature lighting, which is enhanced visibility and adds style to the vehicle when driving. Underneath, we've got the 1-litre petrol engine, which produces 72 brake horsepower. It's been re-engineered and fine-tuned for improved performance, economy and less road noise. It is also available in an automatic transmission. So that's just been our quick overview of the new Toyota AYGO. If you'd like to come and take a look for yourself or have a test drive, please visit one of our 3 branches at W.R. Davies Toyota Stafford, Telford or Shrewsbury. I've been Alex and thank you for watching.